Located 25 minutes from Fort Collins, Colorado, this 690-acre ranch offers ample flexibility as an equine facility, small cattle operation, and hunting property. Welcome to Little Red Mountain Ranch. Beyond the ample recreation you'll find within the property, this area is within close proximity of many outdoor opportunities, as hiking and biking trails are located within a few minutes from the property. Climb the rock formations of Vidavoo and Happy Jack, located in Medicine Bow National Forest in Wyoming. Snowy Range Ski Resort is 60 minutes from the property, and Steamboat Springs is about 3 hours away. With many uses, the grassy pastures offer grazing for horses or cattle and are fully fenced and cross-fenced. The ranch has easy access around the front section with cottonwood tree-lined creek bottoms and rolling pastures. The eastern property is accessed by a recorded easement and is nestled among the Red Rock Valleys, providing ample protection for wildlife. Sitting in Game Unit 9, the ranch holds elk, mule deer, and antelope, providing sanctuary for the animals during the winter months. The canyon walls, though rugged, are accessible for exploring and would provide endless hours of hiking or shed hunting. The home on the property is a sprawling 5,500 square feet with 5 beds, 5 baths, 2 attached garages, and views that won't disappoint. The original home was built in 1967 and was then added on to in 1989. There are 2 bedrooms on the main level of the home and 3 bedrooms on the upper level. The primary bedroom is located on the upper level and includes a balcony that overlooks the property and soaks in the morning sun. The attached ensuite has double sinks, built-in storage, and a large walk-in closet. The main living area of the home has a wonderful fireplace, solarium, and a sunken sitting area for your morning coffee and evening glass of wine. Currently being used for horses, this property is suited for cattle as well. Multiple loafing sheds, runs, pens, and loading facilities are available and could easily be converted for any owner's future use. The ranch boasts a 300-foot by 150-foot outdoor arena and a 250-foot by 90-foot indoor arena. Both have been set up for roping with cattle runs and roping chutes. Stonewall Creek and Intermittent Creek run through the property, providing water for animals and the cottonwood trees that line the edges, particularly during the rainy season. For a private qualified showing, please contact Casey Stamen at 970-219-4647.